Hello everyone, for today's video, I'll be sharing 4 tips to help you become stronger in CLM as a free-to-play player. First tip, reach level 36 as soon as possible. Focus on completing quests because once you hit level 36, you will receive a selection bus. From there, in my case, I selected the Madeline Top, Madeline Hat, Madeline Magic Top, Madeline Magic Bottoms, and Madeline Magic Shoes, which are ideal for a mage build. Second tip, before dismantling or selling any equipments, always check your collection. Some items may be useful for collection bonuses, which can provide additional stats. Don't waste potential upgrades by selling them too quickly. Third tip, enhance your equipment regularly. Upgrading your gear increases your overall stats and makes your character strong. It involves some risks, but a successful enhancement can significantly boost your performance. So lucky, I got 2 successful. Fourth tip, if you don't have resources for summoning costume, join a guild first. Guild provide coins that you can exchange for summoning materials as free-to-play player. Luck plays a big role, so take advantage of every opportunity to summon and improve your character. Now let's proceed to the summoning. Now let's use our all summoning ticket.
Nice.
That's it for today. Good luck and keep grinding.